Hello ladies, it's Stella here again, and I've got another of the field notes journals to show you today. This one I've covered with denim because I made myself a denim skirt a while back and I had quite a bit of denim left over. Perfect for covering journals. And before I go into the journal, I want to show you this beautiful dangle which was made by Sharon Hobson in the group and sent to me recently. I think it's so beautiful. This journal is a bit more fancy than the last one, deliberately, and this dangle just livens up that denim perfectly, I think. There are lots of lovely charms on it. Sharon makes jewellery and she's very good at it. So I encourage you to go over to her shop on Etsy, which I think is called Angel Whispers. I'll put a link below and have a look at what she's got there. I think that's a little wing, isn't it? An angel wing. And at the bottom here, we've got, is that a bee? A little bee and a bigger bee, I think it is. So, this is a lobster clip. I'm going to take that off so it doesn't clank about while I'm showing you the journal. These clips here are called ring binder clips. If you ever wanted to get any, you would get them from Amazon or wherever, if you're lucky enough to have a shop that sells them, and they just come adrift like so, so that you can put things on very easy. This I could have done with a smaller one here, but that's all I had. On the front, I've got a Tim Holtz frame there and a cinnamon stick. I just like cinnamon sticks. It doesn't really do anything except sit there and look nice. And inside we start with a pocket with a cluster on and some tags. These are layered tags and you can get them from Tracy Fox's website on Etsy. And these are some ugly bug tea cards that show all sorts of nasty things if you don't like that sort of thing. I find it fascinating, so it doesn't really bother me, but it seemed to go very well in here. And you can write on the back. The little file folders and the bigger file folders are from a kit, Musings by Nikki, on Etsy. And again, I'll put a link down below in case you want to go and pick up some of those. There's all different ones, lots of different colours and different sizes. So I advise you to have a look at her shop. And over here on this page, we've got a belly band which you can put things under, and I've made a butterfly nice and shiny by embossing it with clear embossing powder. Which one did I use? Oh, this one from Paper Mania, which is popular in this country, in the UK. There it is. You just touch it onto the sticky Versamark stamp juice. So you cut out your butterfly, stamp over it with the Versamark, then cover it with the clear embossing powder and use your heat gun to bring it up to a shine. You wouldn't do that in the journal, obviously, but I think it looks really nice when it's done. And here we've got a little snail. It's cute, isn't it? I also used a kit from Louise Hensel, who does some very nice kits. And again, I'll link her below. And I did the pages myself with the tea dyeing. I also used some of my pressed flowers, and I've put them into one of these little coin envelopes because they're very, very delicate, and I've stuck that one on. This page here is from an insect book, the Observer's Book of Insects. It's rather an old one. I think the old ones are the best. I like the detail in them. And this is another one of Nikki's Field Notes cards. And one of Tracy's labels, which I've used as a little handle. Here's another one of the tags. And if you look on Tracy's, if you belong to her group or look on her website, you'll see she's got videos on YouTube that show you how to layer these up. So she's got this one, which is the bigger one, and then several smaller ones, and you can stick one on top of the other to good effect. Another one of these little file folders. They look like suitcases, don't they? I've got a little tea dye tab there. Let's lift my iPad up a little bit. It's a bigger iPad and it's heavy, and after a little while the weight of it makes it droop down. So I have to keep my eye on it. Another one of the clusters that I made. That opens up, and there's an envelope there you can put some things in, and you can write on the side here too. Sample field notes to make your notes. Always try and leave as much spare page as I can, because you do need to write in a journal. If you don't write in it, then it's an art journal, and that's a whole nother thing, isn't it? This is what I mean by the layering that Tracy did. I changed it a little bit, but you see, this is not what it appears. This is one tag. It looks like 2 or even 3, doesn't it? And this isn't what it looks like either, and nor is this. Clever, isn't it? It's a very clever idea and very effective. And this is a pocket, a large pocket, and inside another label that you can write on. Or obviously you can put in there whatever you like. This one is real. I made these cards, and again another envelope that you can put your notes in. This is one of Tracy's labels, and the flower is just decoupaged on with the Mod Podge. Another belly band. Here I've made a pocket with some plastic and put another little pocket inside. There's nothing in it at the moment, but it's a long thin pocket. And this has been laminated. I think it was one of Tim Holtz's grasses. A pocket with butterflies on, a caterpillar. Beetles. This is the centre. So another index card that you can write on. One of Nikki's labels. It's a working label. This is a tag that I made with a dictionary page. Here's another one of the pockets. This time I've put butterfly in it, so this one is on his own. You can play with him. Write something on the back. Another card. And another tag. This one I have laid up a bit more. And I've stuck one of my pressed flowers on the top too. Some of it's real and some of it's not. There's another little charm there. Another page from the insect book. These pockets here I picked up when we were staying in Norwich. They had them at the hotel with knives, forks and spoons inside, so there's a hole at the top there. And I thought, oh, I can use those. They only would have thrown them away, didn't use them twice. So over the time we were there, I managed to pick up quite a few. This bronzy looking sparkle is done with stickles, and you can just blob them on and wait for them to dry. But always put a pin in the top, because otherwise it will stick and you'll never get any more out. And they come in all sorts of colours. I've got a silver one as well, a different make. That's a Dovecraft one. If you use the plain bronze one, I suppose it looks better, and it looks like metal. That's a flip out. There's a butterfly. Another one of my tags. This is a Tim Holtz die, the brown part I'm talking about, and then you can stick whatever you like inside it. Great fun to play with those. There's another of the butterflies. Makes them a bit more robust, not so likely to tear them when you use the embossing powder. There's a label there. And this time I've got a beetle in the coin envelope. So that's one of Tim Holtz's dies and a stamp on top. You stamp the die and that's how you get the detail. It's another one of my pressed flowers. Seeds in this case. Bumblebees. And that's a specimen card of a butterfly. This one is stuck on. It's a moth. And some butterflies. A label that you can use if you've got a specimen to label. And here's a little book, writing little tiny notes in. And then another little snail, there he is. And that's the last page. Back is plain. It's a hardcover, but semi-hard. It's not my usual placemat cover, which are very, very hard and durable. This is sort of halfway. So thank you for looking. Hope you enjoyed it. And please give me a like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you feel inclined. And also I want to remind you to go over to my junk journal group page, which I will link below, because I'm doing a giveaway. It's not really a giveaway, but it's a fundraiser for the Blue Cross Animal Shelter, which is in the next town to me. Do wonderful work. And I shall be drawing for that for people who actually donate. You donate direct to the Blue Cross. And I shall be doing the giveaway in the middle of February, around about Valentine's Day, so I can remember to do it. For my Up and Away journal, one of them. So if you feel inclined to go and look at that, please do. And until the next time, I'll say goodbye and thank you for watching. Bye.